Alright, in this video, what I'm going to go through is a situation that's happening on the resource request monitoring page, and that is that we have some items that were withdrawn, and for whatever reason, instead of saying item in place at the withdrawn location library that they're supposed to be at, they're stuck in the workflow step transit item. So, for example, patterns of problem solving, if we look at this, and we're going to search by all titles keyword and then just put the barcode in, you're going to see that that bib record was suppressed, the holding record was suppressed, and it says item not available and location withdrawn. But if you go to items, you'll see that the process type is transit, and so what we want to do is to remove the process type transit and change the status to item in place. And so what we're going to do is change our circulation desk to be Hightower, and we're going to open up our Tweetybird account. Tweetybird's a student account, practice account, and we're going to override, and we're going to check out this book to Tweety, and it says item not loanable, but we're just going to go ahead and override, and then we're going to delete the loan. What you don't want to do is click on fulfillment return items. If you click on actions delete loan, then this is not going to count as a circulation on our circulation statistics for the year. It'll be as if this loan never happened. So actions delete loan. It'll mark the item in place, but you see that everything is withdrawn as before, and we have a location of withdrawn, but it says 1 of 1 available. So the last thing you want to do is change your location to, you're currently at Gillibo repository circulation desk, because it's in the Gillibo Hall withdrawn location. So we are changing our library to Gillibo Hall. And then we're going to go to fulfillment, scan in items. And now when you look at your item availability, it says 1 not available. And if we go take a look at our items page again, you'll see that we were able to get rid of the process type of transit, and we were able to change our status to item in place. Also, when you go, and this book is called Patterns of Problem Solving, when you go back to your fulfillment monitor requests and item processes page, this book here is not going to be on this page anymore. And so that's how you would work through this list of items that are in transit. If you click on workflow step transit item, then you see that currently we have 327, and you would have to go through these one by one and then just verify that these items were actually withdrawn or not, and then proceed from there. So again, this is another item that's withdrawn, and you're going to have that same problem. And when we go to our view all items page, you'll see that the process type is transit and the status is item not in place. And so we would just repeat the steps that we did just a second ago to remove the process type and change the status to item in place.